on the tray. All right, is there anybody who's not done with their prediction? No. All right, get finished.
All right, she's done. We're done. No, we're not.
You're not in any danger. Hands should be off of all other supplies.
Can we make hands free?
All right, get ready. Drop your baking soda bomb. Give it a shake for 5 seconds, and then lay it down. 5-second shake, and then lay it down. And then you need to observe. Lay it down and observe. Lay it down and observe. Don't touch it, Samaya. Just wait. Observe. Don't touch it. Observe what's happening. Observe.
It's getting too much air in villages.
It may not. If maybe if you didn't put enough to. Let's see. Let's let that get nice and soaked.
Look at Alan.
It's about to be.
It looks. Y'all have a lot in there. It should. It might. It would have exploded by now.
Stop it.
Y'all are so scary. Oh, it's filling up. It's filling up.
Why is it going down?
It might not pop. It might not have been enough pressure build up. All right, we got that one. All right, give it a little swirl. Give it a little.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of pressure.
There we go. All right, give the bag a little shake. A little shake. Guys, we will not scream. Give it a little shake. Another.